Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this expandable garden hose by Kejector. It's a flexible garden hose. It's available in 50 meter, these are 50 feet. Of course you can choose 30 meter, these are 100 feet, or 7.5 meter, these are 25 feet. As you like, as you need, you can choose. It is an expandable water hose with 10 function spray nozzle. Durable 4-layer latex water hose. We have high quality materials, the premium latex core and the 3705D polyester fabric covers ensure incredible flexibility and durability. The Kejector garden hose can be quickly expanded to 4 times the length and extract quickly when not filled with water. It's a leak-proof garden hose design. The thick rubber seals, the dense fabric, the robust hose, and the corrosion-resistant solid fittings ensure that the hose remains the leak-proof, kink, twist, and tangle resistant for years. The non-slip rubber handle ensures the maximum comfort. And 10 jet types. The spray nozzle has 10 jet types. An half vertical, centered, full, flat, shower, cone, jet, sprayer, an angle, a mist to meet our daily needs. The hose hanger saves space and keeps everything well organized. And an impressive versatility. This garden hose can withstand the water pressure of 60 to 138 psi and works at the temperature from 5 to 45 degrees Celsius. We can store it in the carry bag and take it anywhere. The hose is ideal for cleaning home, floor, and yards, washing our cars, watering the lawn, bathing pads, etc. You can see you can make so much awesome thing. We should make sure that the rubber washer is firmly set inside the female coupling. We attach the female end of the hose to the faucet. We attach the male end of the hose to the spray nozzle or other watering device. We turn off the valve. We turn on the water. When the hose is fully expanded, we turn on the valve, and then there will be spray action as you like. This hose is very heavy when filled. We do not drag along the surface to prevent abrasion damage. The hose works best with a spray nozzle. It may expand and contract several times until the hose stretched to its full length. Unscrew and remove the spray nozzle or other watering devices from the hose. We turn on the valve and release the water in the hose. We drain the hose completely and allow it to contract to its original length. We keep the hose in a dry, shady, and cool place away from direct sunlight. We put the hose indoors in winter or extremely cold weather. We do not run hot water or drink water through this hose. We protect this hose from the cut, torn, or punctured. We keep it away from sharp objects. We never leave the hose unattended during use. We never leave the valve turned off while the water is turned on for a long period. We use only necessary attachments provided by the manufacturer itself. The working temperature is from 5 degrees up to 45 degrees Celsius. These are 41 degrees Fahrenheit up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The working pressure is from 60 psi up to 138. The hose size is a 3/4 inches to 25 feet to 50 feet or 100 feet, what you are going to choose. These are 90 millimeter to 7.6 meter, 15.2 meters or 30.5 meter. That's up to you what you choose. The materials are latex, polyester, zinc alloy, and plastic. We have an 1/2-inch adapter included, and 3/4-inch adapter included, a quick connector, a spare connector, and rubber washers. We should kindly note that the products sold in America do not include adapters and connectors which I told you. This hose can directly connect to the American standard faucet itself. It's easy and fast to connect a 3/4 in or an half inches garden faucet to the waist. It's really easy. You can choose what you need and then you can connect it. This rubber washer ensures leak-free performance. The connector may not screw in properly because the rubber washer are thick. We never subject the spray nozzle to heavy shocks. We handle it, of course, with care a little bit. We do not use the hose if it is damaged. This product is really good for take a shower outside or inside as you like. It's really cool to spray your garden. It's good to wash your car, for example, or other devices. So you see, this flexible garden hose here helps you really nice out. And it comes with a standard connection thing. That means other brands are matches to this flexible garden device here too. That's awesome because it's standard on the market. The all parts are really good designed, made out of reliable materials, and I like the extra the extra valve on it really much, because this is an emergency valve, and this is not standard on the market. This is an additional thing here which Kejector is built in or is used. It is really cool. This is easy, as you can see, to use. It's easy to connect, and it makes a good job outside and inside. This is the flexible garden hose in different dimensions. It is an expandable water hose with 10 function spray nozzle, and it's a durable 4-layer latex water hose by Kejector. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.